Hey guys, I'm playing Lightning Link today and really not having very good luck today, but we'll see how we can do here. Finally got a feature. I don't see one. I don't see one over here. Sorry. Oh, cool. Alright, let's go. Game 1 of 6, we're at $1.80. Let's see if we can't fill it all up. Ooh, there we go, 10s. Alright, let's see if it can't drop me down something good. Let it add on up, $4.50. I'm just playing 50-cent bets because my luck has really not been very good, and I think this is the last game I'm going to play tonight. Ooh, come on. Ooh. Get something really good. Oh, yeah, there we go. There's a chip. That's good. We like that. All right. Yay! Let's get some more chips. Chips, chips, chips. Chips, chips. Alright, get some chips. Oh, there's one more. Ooh, I love a reset. Let's get some more. Drop them. Nice. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4 more chips to fill it in. Come on, I can do it. Alright, come on, let's save the bonus. Drop me one more. Save the spins. Oh. You know, it didn't pay a lot, but that was fun to watch. Alright, let's skip that, and last spin. Another chip. Alright, $11. That's okay. Thanks for watching, guys.